What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back, guys. It's been a long time. It's been probably like 3 to 4 years something since I last posted on this channel, because I had to go through a lot. I had to go through my own fair share of some bullshit that I had to experience, but then it's all good. By the grace of God, we're still alive, and we're still working, we're still cooking. So when it's all said and done, I'll be very happy. I know lots of you guys will be also very happy. So the new plan for the channel is to make it a full-blown media channel and to post all my workflows and all the projects that I'll be working on. It wouldn't just be 3D animation, it would also be various media projects I'll be working on, from movies to animations to all those things. So I'll be working, there's a lot of things in the pipeline that I want to be working on. So there's a lot that's going to be happening here, but the main aim, the main goal is to reach 1 million subscribers no matter what. I don't know how long that is going to take, and I can't really tell what the plan is going to be like. I'm basically going to freestyle a whole lot of my videos now. Fuck the scripts. You know, sometimes I might use a script, but sometimes I'm just going to freestyle it. I just don't want to script so much anymore, because I don't know, I don't need a script. I'd rather that I don't always need a script. I can just say whatever is on my mind, and I hope there'll be people out there willing to listen to my own versions or to my own opinions of however we are doing this. So now, basically just a revenue architect for any industry that I can find myself inside, but then I'm using my media experience and all that to do all the work and to also find out how we can also make more money and all those things. So that's what I'll be posting more on this channel, all my media works and how we are going to generate revenue out of all the things that I'll be doing, how I'm implementing AI into my workflows. I don't know if I said that already, but then that's what we are basically going to be doing. So subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Look out for more, turn on the notifications, because it's going to be wild, it's going to be interesting, it's going to be fun. I promise you that. So thank you guys very much for watching today's video. It's just a 2 minute video, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.